Tony and Corey here, your Parr Weekend Warriors. We're back in the studio. We walked in today to this amazing pile of tools that Makita sent over.
Well, we knew they were coming, but we didn't know when. And I'm very excited to get these open and fire it off and see what they do. So Let's check it out.
They're all cordless 18-volt LXT, which we've got the batteries for already. So let's grab a knife and open these suckers up.
Let's do it.
Welcome to the Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show, built by Parr Lumber. Your Weekend Warriors, Tony and Corey.
Oh yeah. 3 blades. Ooh, it's got 6 blades.
One of the coolest things about the Makita cordless line. You can get all these new tools, you can get them tool only, and you can use the batteries that you already have for all of the other tools that you're using because they all work. It's ready to go. You don't have to wait, you don't have to charge, you don't have to do anything. This thing's ready to go, with the exception of putting in a blade. Holy smokes.
This is a cordless work light. Holy cow. Look at the size of that thing. Should I turn it on? It's got 3 different settings for light.
I can see it really good with this light.
The other thing this comes with is a cord, so you can run it off AC. This thing looks pretty waterproof. The battery case is sealed. It even has a rubber gasket. So when you close it up, that battery is sealed. So I bet you this would sit out in the rain, no problem.
Man, that light is bright. That is awesome. Ooh, that's bright here. I need it right here. Let's figure out how to turn it on first, shall we?
Yep. I already know how to turn it on.
Great.
Unlock.
And does it light up or something? You unlocked it?
Yeah, it turns
okay, I couldn't see that light.
It's got lights on the end that light up your workpiece. This is gonna be the angle, more aggressive, less aggressive.
Oh, okay.
So more straight up and down, whereas this one's gonna be more of an action.
Really biting in hard.
Yep.
Nice.
So did you notice that as you needed to apply power, the brushless LXT tool system will add power to the tool as it's needed.
The more you push, the more RPMs you get. We got a finish nailer, got staples in it. Tear that box up.
This is a tool hook.
Oh, so I can hang it on my belt?
Yep.
Nice. And then locks in just like that. Needs a battery, safety glasses, and something to put a nail in. Here. Nice. I noticed that it leaves the head up just a little bit. You suppose there's a depth gauge on here?
So, right there.
Yep, right there. Oh boy. There we go. This is very nice.
Yeah, right out of the box. Nice. All right, next one is a 23 gauge pin nailer. These things shoot very small wire gauge nails, and these have no heads on them, and when they shoot into wood, you can barely see them. I've wanted one of these for a long time, so I'm very excited about this.
A little birdhouse or something that's got some little quarter round trim around it or something like that maybe.
Yeah, looks like it loads very similarly to most pinners. You drop the nails on the side, lock it in that way. It has depth adjustment right here.
Oh yeah.
So, right here. Less and then more. So, pretty straightforward, but awesome. We'll have to show you how this works in another video. We have one more. Oh, these are countersink drill bit. This is a kit from Makita. If you don't have one of these, I highly recommend it. They come in 3 different sizes. It accommodates 3 different sizes of screws, 6, 8, and 10.
6, 8, and 10, yeah.
And basically what it is, it allows you to countersink any screw into any surface. So instead of using the screw head to smash the wood in and leave it not looking very desirable, you can put a nice countersink and then the screw will sit flat. We'll actually show you this in our next video because these will be very handy.
Yeah. All right, well, that was fun. I love opening up new toys.
No kidding. Thanks so much to Makita for bringing this over to us.
If you see something here that you like, you can pick up these tools at any Parr Lumber. They'll give you a great deal, tell you how they work if you have any questions, and any accessories that you need for them also be in stock there.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our social channels right here.
Our podcast channels here, or tune into the Weekend Warriors radio show every weekend across the Pacific Northwest.
This has been another episode of your Parr Weekend Warriors.
We'll see you next time.